terms of comparative situation. I think this is the approach I like to justice, very concrete examples, and more than just discussion about justice. For instance, now in Italy, I think also a bit in the US, this is my feeling. If you speak about inequality and globalization, you are absolutely in the left side of the political debate, because inequality is something for the left party and freedom for the right or conservative party. I don't like this approach, because I think inequality today is a very big disease. I don't know if you have seen the last issue of The Economist, the journal about inequality. Inequality today is a very big issue for the economic growth, because when there are this growing inequality, even in the US, it's impossible to imagine a new economic positive economic season, because there is a lack of demand. It's just a question of the left or Obama, or I don't know. But it's very difficult in this moment to use the language of inequality, because there is the risk of being collocated in one party against the other. But I don't like this approach, because inequality is a very big issue in economic for everybody, not just for one party of the political debate.
This is Jennifer Nadelski from the University of Toronto, from the Science and Law. So I have two questions for Professor Bruni. The first, it actually has two parts. I'm trying to figure out the extent to which you really have to depart from some important traditions within economics in order to add this virtue component. And so one of the questions is, when you move to the idea of assessing mutual benefit, when that is your objective, mutual advantage. It sounded to me as though you were suggesting that there was now going to be the need for an independent assessment of what constitutes mutual benefit, as opposed to the story that we often get from economists today, that if people make that argument, by definition, that means they each think it's to their mutual benefit. Whereas it sounds to me like you must mean something different, and then that's a big departure from our economic norms within the tradition of economists. And so a similar thing, you noted yourself that in one of the Adam Smith quotes,